Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can pin a post on Facebook. This is actually quite straightforward once you know where the setting is, so let's get started. Okay guys, so here we have the Facebook application opened up on my mobile device. And the first thing I want to do is head over to the profile. From our profile, what we can do is we can just scroll down and find one of the posts that we are looking to basically go ahead and pin, right? So let's just take this one here. It was posted about 5 days ago, for example. We know the post on how to turn your Instagram activity status off, right? So if I go ahead and click into this picture here, or this post right here, we can see there's 3 dots in the top right hand corner. If we go ahead and click on that, we have the ability to hit pin post. Now if I come out of here, we can see that that is now pinned up in this featured area of our page in this particular case, but could be your profile picture if it's or profile if you wanted it to be. And we can also click back into there and unpin it as well, or click on the manage area here and basically go ahead and remove it by clicking the 3 dots again and then unpin, which will essentially remove it from our page there. Okay, but that's how you would go ahead and pin and unpin. So 3 dots to pin. Okay, we can find the pinned vote post right up here. We can go ahead and click into this again and we can edit the post. We can do all those things, or we can click on the manage and then the 3 dots and then unpin it to remove it from that featured area, just like so. So guys, it's quite straightforward once you know where the setting is to basically go ahead and pin and unpin your posts. And so guys, that's how you do it. If you found this useful and informative, smash that like button, consider subscribing for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.